guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making delicious creamy condensed milk coffee pie or coffee tart, depends on where you live in the world, but whatever you call it, it's so delicious, easy to make, and let's get started. First ingredients that you'll need is 2 packs of tennis biscuits or tea biscuits or any biscuit that you'd enjoy to use as a pie base. So we're going to open up these 2 packs of tennis biscuits and throw it into our food processor. Okay, great guys, we have our 2 packs of tennis biscuits in our food processor, and now we're just going to process these so that they become a fine biscuit base. Awesome, now we're going to melt 300 grams of butter and pour that into our food processor. Okay guys, now we are going to pour in our 300 grams melted butter into our food processor. Continue mixing that. Here we go guys, now we have a perfect butter biscuit base, and now we are going to get a pie dish. You can either use 2 small pie dishes or 1 large one. So let's move on to that next step. Okay guys, we have poured our biscuit base into our pie dish, and now we're just going to push it along until it fits the whole pie dish. This is your base guys, and after that we're going to put it in the fridge just to set. No specific time in the fridge, it's just while we do our mixture for the pie. You just use the back of a spoon to smooth it out and spread it evenly. Our biscuit base is done, and now we're going to pop this into the freezer while we prepare our filling. This recipe is so easy. As you know, we are making coffee condensed milk tart, but if you don't like coffee, then leave the coffee out. We are coffee fans, so we'll definitely be using the coffee. All you'll need is 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, coffee of your choice. We're using Nescafe Espresso, and double cream plain yogurt. Get yourself a bowl and pour in your cans of sweetened condensed milk. And now you're going to add in your creamy white plain yogurt. Just remember, use the entire liter as you pour that into your bowl. Now you're going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of coffee. We really like coffee, so we're going to probably use about 3 to 4 tablespoons of coffee. Just add as much coffee as you like. Gone for 3 tablespoons of coffee. Now we're just going to mix this up nicely. You can use a hand mixer, a spatula, or a whisk. Just make sure it's mixed thoroughly so all the ingredients combine nicely. Okay guys, we have mixed this thoroughly and now we are going to get our pie crust out of the freezer. We have taken our pie dish out the freezer and now we're going to pour our mixture into the pie dish. Just pour that in. So easy, so simple, really easy to make. I hope you give this a try. If you do, please leave me a comment, send your pictures to me on Twitter, on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. And while you're here, please subscribe. I've poured the mixture into the pie dish and I've gone ahead and preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And we are going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. Here's a little tip guys. If you have a microwave safe dish, you can pop this into the microwave for 4 minutes and then you're done. So next step is popping this into the oven. I've just taken out the condensed milk coffee tart out the oven. I cooked it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Alternatively, you can bake it in a microwave safe dish for 4 minutes. Furthermore, pop this in the fridge overnight, or alternatively, if you want to eat it the same day, I suggest you put it in the fridge for about 4 hours and then it'll be ready to serve. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, and it was a lot of fun making that recipe. I hope you do give it a try. If you do, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.